to Sunday Funday, where we review our Fidelity Health Savings Account. In today's video, we will review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received. We are currently up $1,034.61, and our account balance is all the way up to $7,450.57. The total amount of dividends we've received is $257.29. As far as our deposits, we have not deposited any money since we fully funded our health savings account on January 14th with one deposit of $3,600. As far as purchases, what have we purchased? As far as purchases, in the beginning of August, we were able to add $29.77 worth of VOO. And in the month of July, we added almost 2 shares of QYLD. And we were able to add that's $40 worth. So between that $40, so that's pretty much $70 that we were able to add to our investments through the form of dividends. So we received some dividends and then we bought more stock with that. So it's nice to see within our health savings account that our money is making money and our money's money is making money. As far as dividends received for the month of July and August, we received $1.68 from Leggett & Platt, $7.84 from Franklin Resources, $29.38 from QYLD, and $5.90 from VOO. This Leggett & Platt and this Franklin Resources are dividend aristocrats, which means they've raised their dividend for more than 25 years. So as you can see, we had the same number of shares, and then in July, Leggett & Platt raised their dividend, and they must have raised it 2 cents because we got 8 cents more. And as you can see, they raised their dividends from $1.60 to $1.68, and we have four shares, so they must have raised it 2 cents. Which doesn't seem like a lot, but if you had, say, 1,000 shares, that would be a huge increase to the amount of income you would be getting. It'll be neat to see once Franklin Resources raises their dividend what it comes out to be. As we have more shares of Franklin Resources, we have 28 shares. Well, hope you enjoyed the video today. It's just a short one, but this is another thing to think about if you have health insurance and if you're able to have a high deductible health plan. You can create a health savings account where you can invest some of your money to help it grow a little faster, to help cover your healthcare costs. One piece of advice I do have is if you're going to go with a high deductible health plan, make sure you have your high deductible or your total out-of-pocket max expense possibility saved up before you do it, just in case you do need to go to the hospital or have a healthcare issue. Once that happens, you can invest the rest. Hopefully it'll help fund your healthcare expenses when you're older. This is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull dividend portfolio, our Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our M1 Finance Growth portfolio. Between all 4 accounts, we have gotten up to $38,707, with the total amount of dividends received is $1,212. If you want to see more investing videos, click the link on the screen or check out the sidebar. Thanks for watching.